Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop. This is a 2020 Honda CB500X and I've mounted our Overnight Plus kit to it. This is a great, lightweight, versatile setup for an overnight or multi-day motorcycle camping trip or whatever kind of adventures you might want to have on your 500X. And I'm going to show you how it all comes together. At GiantLoopMoto.com, we actually have 4 different kits that we sell, each one specially kind of curated and designed for a specific type of use. And each of those kits is 10% off if you buy all 3 pieces of the kit all at once on GiantLoopMoto.com on our website. This is the Overnight Plus kit, which is actually kind of designed for your more dual sport enduro type bikes, but the 500X is such an interesting bike. It occupies such an interesting space. It's an easy to ride, easy to learn on bike. It's small, it's lightweight, it's easy to throw around and ride, and it kind of slides into the middle slot. So I already made a video on our Go Light Touring Kit, which has the Great Basin bag, the bigger dry bag, and the bigger tank bag. I'll link that for you so you can check it out. The Overnight Plus kit consists of the Giant Loop Diablo tank bag. This is our 6-liter tank bag. This is a great, mostly waterproof tank bag, totally waterproof with the dry pod that comes with it when you buy it. Here I have our Giant Loop Coyote bag. This is our horseshoe-shaped bag, the original Giant Loop bag. Mounts to the passenger foot pegs. I've got a strap running underneath the back of the bike that I'll show you. And this gives you a lot of storage. And it just kind of sits where your passenger would sit, so it gets that weight in a very comfortable place. And then on the back, this is the Rogue dry bag. This is our 18-liter dry bag, 100% waterproof, just big enough for a camp chair and a table or your clothes or your food or whatever you might want to use it for. It's got an air purge valve. It's a great setup. And this is all really easy to mount and works really well on this bike. So let me show you the individual pieces. Let's start with the tank bag. So the biggest thing to know with the tank bag is if you want the cleanest look, what I've done is I went underneath the seat here. I go more in depth into the methodology for that in the video I made on the Go Light Touring Kit. So you can check that out if you want to see exactly where it goes. But just know there's a frame rail under here and a bracket that comes across. And I just got it around under that so that you've got this very clean look underneath the edge of the seat for the harness here. It works really well with the Diablo. There's no straps in your way. It basically disappears, but it's very secure, as you can see. On the front, it's as simple as one strap here that you can see that runs down underneath the neck of the motorcycle. The most important thing to make sure is that you get it underneath your brake line, your wiring, all that stuff. I like to get the straps underneath that just so it's not pinching or wearing on it in any weird way. But other than that, it's very straightforward to mount a harness like this to the front of the bike. And probably my favorite feature of all of our tank bags, but this Diablo in particular, is the fact that you can just unzip it like that for fuel fills. Here's my gas cap, fill it up, flip this back on, zip it back up. This bag also comes all the way off and has a handle. So if you want to take it with you into a store, to a restaurant, whatever, if you've got your expensive gear in there, that's super easy to take on and off. It's just that fast. The harness stays with the bike. Love that tank bag, 6 liters, great product. It's worth mentioning that I've made full product videos for every one of these products. If you want more in-depth info on each of them, I will link those in the description for you. This is the Coyote saddlebag. You can see it is a horseshoe-shaped saddlebag. It goes up and over the passenger seat of the motorcycle, and it just attaches down here. So there's a lot of options here, and really this bag is kind of designed to go more horizontally. So I originally had it attached to the passenger foot peg here, but in the course of kind of adjusting it around, I actually ended up liking it here on the passenger foot peg, this little additional loop they give you. This seems like the best place for it because it kind of pulls it down and out of the way and just makes it a little bit easier to get on and off the bike. Nice thing about this 500X is we don't have to worry about the exhaust because it's down so low. So the front of the Coyote goes to those passenger foot peg mounts, and then the rear is one pronghorn strap right here, you can see, and I just went underneath the tail here. That tire is not going to hit it. It's not in any danger of anything at all, and it's super sturdy. This strap actually goes up inside the Coyote, and you can tighten it down in there. It's a pronghorn strap. It comes with it. It's very quick and easy to take on and off the bike, and it mounts very securely. With the Coyote, you've also got these grab handles, which are nice because once it's so securely mounted like it is, you can use them to move the bike, maneuver it around, whatever. And then the Coyote, another cool feature is it has these extra D-rings on the bottom and here on the strap so that you can actually add possibles pouches. So if you want to add your first aid kit, where it's easy to get to, if you want to put your toolkit on the outside, you totally can. So that Coyote saddlebag is 39 liters of storage. That is a lot of storage. It is not fully waterproof by itself, but it comes with 3 dry pods that can go down inside. That also make great ways to kind of separate your gear and make it easier to get stuff in and out of the bag. So it's kind of a win-win. And with those, it is fully waterproof. And the third piece of the Overnight Plus kit is the Rogue dry bag. The Rogue dry bag has entrances on both ends. It has an air purge valve that you can see here, so you can really pack that thing down tight. I have added 0 additional straps to this bag to get it on the bike here. So all I've done is taken the beaver tail straps from the Coyote, I ran them through the webbing loops, and then I just attach them here and tighten them down, and that Rogue bag is not going anywhere. Like I said, it's a great size for your camp chair, your camp table. It fits a lot more than you'd think, honestly, in 18 liters. And then the other pro tip I like to do with this is I like to take just the side strap here, the one that actually closes the bag, and I'll run it through the strap that closes the Coyote and attach it and then tighten that down, and that gives you a lot of stability side to side here with this bag too. So all in all, we've got somewhere in the neighborhood of 65 liters of storage here, real close to it. Plenty for an overnight or a multi-day motorcycle camping trip, depending on where you're going and what you're taking. This CB500X is surprisingly capable, fun bike to ride. It comes in at a very budget-friendly price point. I wanted to share some luggage options with you if you're thinking about getting one or taking the one you have out on some adventures. And these things have gone cross-country and around the world. Our Giant Loop ambassador, the Graceful Renegade, who has a YouTube channel that you should check out, she rides one and has been all over the country this summer on her 500X. So don't doubt the power and capability of this little machine, despite its small price tag and small engine size. But that is our Giant Loop Overnight Plus kit. So I will link all the individual pieces of this kit for you in the description, and I will link the kit page where, again, you can save an extra 10% if you buy all 3 of these pieces at once. Hopefully that helps you figure out how to mount it to your 500X or get some ideas for whatever bike it is that you have. If you have gear questions, you're not sure what gear or bags will work best for your bike or your setup or your needs, please feel free to reach out to us via email, via the chat now feature on giantloopmoto.com, and let us help you get figured out, get set up with what it is you need that will work best for you. Don't forget that all of our products are backed by our limited lifetime warranty, and that all orders over $75 from giantloopmoto.com ship for free. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more bike-specific fitment videos, gear overviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, things like that. And don't forget that all YouTube subscribers save 10% on giantloopmoto.com with promo code SUBSCRIBER. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.